Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina JCsBees. It's about 61. It's dropping, temperature dropping down a little bit now. We had the 20s last night. Today we have sunshine. We haven't had for a while. That's why we haven't had any videos. It's been cold, and I'm not opening up my beehives for video when it's cold like that. But anyway, we got it today. And we're going to go in here and see how these girls are doing. We ran on this one the 12th of this month. We're going to give them some dry sugar because it's getting cold here. They're eating their pollen. And the temperature is getting cold real quick out here. 63 when I came out, and it is now 224, and it's 62 degrees, but we've got some clouds coming in. We're going to take their little feeder off, kill some beetles. That down. And the wind's picking up. We've been having some cold, windy, cloudy days. Not much rain here lately, but we're thankful that we don't have right now because it would all freeze up. And the queen should be up here in the top. This one here has some honey, some nectar. This one here has some honey and some nectar. Dead beetle. Another dead beetle. Nothing in the bottom. That's them. We're going to take them, set them over here on the side. We got limbs falling out here again now. This one here has some brood, has some larvae, has some honey, has some nectar. Eggs. This one here. And the same thing here. Should be some eggs and some brood and everything on your right hand side. It's got some honey in it and stuff, so we're going to put them back in here. Like I say, I expect it. Sounds like we're losing all the limbs on the trees. Pick this one up, see what we got. We got brood, we have honey, we have nectar. Same thing on this side. We have brood and eggs, larvae. And y'all, if you get a warm part of a day or something, just because it's 60 degrees out there, doesn't mean you can go in there and look at all your beehives. They have to warm it back up before it gets cold. That's why I say this will probably be the last one today. Hopefully tomorrow I can get another one. These here are festooning. They have eggs, honey. Same thing on this one. Blue queen. She's hiding right here. She's a blue queen. She's what, 3 years old? Now, she's done overwintered 3 winters, I think. This one here, they're festooning down on the bottom. We're going to stick them back in the hive. We're not going any further. We have seen what we need to see. We're going to close them all back up. Get that little lady warmed up. And we're going to give them some dry sugar. I've been asked by some people about the holes that I cut in. What did the bees do with the holes in the wintertime? Well, see that hole right there? Hope you can see it. Anyway, that had screen wire on it. There's a bee right there. Oh, there's the hole. That's a hole, ventilation hole, had screen wire on it. And they figured it had too much breeze, so they just closed it off. Do the other thing though. But they're looking good. That there. Get our paper towel here. Take my paper towels, and they're 2-ply, and I don't put 2-ply in. I like to put 1-ply. I put 2-ply if I'm in a hurry. Most of the time I just put 1-ply because the bees, all you would need something to hold the sugar up there. And 1-ply will do it. And I put my, come on. Put my paper towel in there, wet it down a little bit so it doesn't blow all over the place. There you go, girls. You can put 3, you can put 4, you cover the whole thing. I'm leaving them a little opening back here. Folding over the edges. You ain't got no wire in there, Sam. I appreciate y'all telling me that. Put our wire down. If you don't put the wire down, you have a mess when you go back in and try to check it on a, say, a day like today when it's not cold. You want to go in there and check it. You just take that wire and pull it over to one side, twist it, and it comes right loose. You pull it off. You don't have sugar all over your hive and your frames and in your frames. Now you're going to get it there because the bees are going to put it there. But be a lot less. Get a little bit more water here. The reason I'm putting water on is because the sugar is hard, and the moisture helps the bees be able to eat it better. Y'all watch some of my videos. Y'all could watch my last year videos, and y'all can still comment on them. And it's not illegal to watch them, but you could watch them and it lets you know what I'm doing here. This is regular old granulated sugar from Wally Marks, and y'all probably have other places, I hope. It cost me about $6 and say $6.50 for a 10-pound, where it used to cost 33 cents for a 10-pound. And I put the sugar in there like that. If we got condensation when it gets real cold outside and it's warm inside, condensation falls on the sugar and not on the bees. And I just like doing it this way. Come on, girl. Get in. They don't need this feeder dish. They don't need this pine straw. They don't need that beetle. And we're going to do this right here. And I hope y'all enjoyed that. That's the way I do my winter ones. Y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, share with others, subscribe, let people know where we're at and what we're doing. That's the little hole they got there. And then that's their entrance there, which has a little hole on your right hand side corner. Y'all have a great day. Be careful out there. Y'all have a great. You got any comments now? You let me know. You got any questions? You let me know. I can't do very many videos with the weather this way. Like I say, I'm not going to open it up. But y'all can watch old videos last year this time. It shows you me feeding them. Y'all have a great day. I'm going to be quiet now. Bye.